Hi, my name is Rob from Racing Shocks Australia. My business is involved in importing and servicing shocks and struts that are designed primarily for motorsport. We are the Australian sales and service distributors for two USA-made brands, JRI Shocks and Motion Control Suspension. Between the two shock manufacturers, they cover a wide variety of motorsport categories, including road racing, circuit racing, drag racing, speedway, tarmac rally events, hill climbs, and many more other options are available. Unlike other online retailers, we don't hold much stock, and the reason for it is we believe each customer is unique, and we have the shocks or struts revalved to suit your particular application. There's a couple of big differences between a street design shock and a motorsport shock. A couple of points behind me. So with the motorsport shocks, the two brands we carry are a monotube design, which I'll be able to explain a little bit later on in another video. All our shocks are rebuildable and come with various piston designs. They are multi-adjustable, so we can make them non-adjustable in terms of damping. We can make them single adjustable, which will adjust compression and rebound, or multiple adjustment with compression and rebound separately, both in low speed and high speed ranges. We also do custom applications, so things like hot rods, custom street cars. JRI Shocks in particular make shocks or coilovers shocks for Harley Davidson and Indian motorcycles. With motion control suspension, you can see here with the image here, we've got a remote canister mounted to the shock absorber. So again, between the two brands, they can come with a canister, or they can be what they call a non-remote, so that would be deleted and you just have the actual shock itself. The monotube design allows really fine sensitivity and driver feel when the car wants to go into a roll or pitch attitude, and it's really important, especially for when you're seeking those last few tenths in performance. With motion control suspension, they can also assemble shocks and struts in terms of multi-adjustment setup from one-way to four-way. They specialise in road racing or circuit racing and have got a large following with Porsche and BMW owners over in America. The early Porsche 911 strut units with the CNC machine spindles is one of our biggest sellers here in Australia to date so far. They also do custom applications, and they have quite a large variety of designs already made up to suit particular cars, again for circuit racing. But it's not to say if you've got a Tarmac Rally vehicle or World Time Attack, something a bit more varied to a typical circuit racing application, it's something that they can actually help out in the design and the fitment for as well. When you buy a set of shocks, either JRI shocks or motion control suspension units from us, you will get a 2-year warranty. You get 12 months from the manufacturer and an additional 12 months from us. That's how much we believe in the product that we sell. If by chance you have an accident and you damage any of the parts, both designs are modular in construction, which means they're totally rebuildable, and we can actually repair individual or replace individual parts, saving you a lot of costs down the road. And if you fit them to your street car, having an Australian dealer and purchasing through an Australian dealer will allow you to claim any damages back through insurance. We can also perform repairs and servicing on other motorsport brands of shocks, including Olin's, Sachs and Pesky Racing Shocks, and many more other brands. We also provide other services such as simple dyno checks to check the quality of your shocks. We rate bump rubbers, we can rate springs, but we also sell those same parts, bump rubbers, springs. We can also sell strut mounts if it suits your particular application, to a complete bolting system. If you'd like to find out more information, then check our website out, www.racingshocksaustralia.com.au. Thanks for joining us, and we'll hope to hear from you soon.